Traders. Today I'll show you how this expert advisor works, the no-loss strategy. It's a hedging strategy better than martingale, okay? Meanwhile, this expert advisor doesn't work alone. So the initial buy or sell should be manually executed. It is because we have our own criteria. Now, first, we know there's no 100% expert advisor ever succeed in this industry, and we know when to buy or sell. Okay, as we all know, we have our own criteria to confirm our entry. Not the robot will do. So you may use the divergence. You may use crossover, moving average, all this kind of stuff, support and resistance, all this. And the objective of this expert advisor is because when you buy, suddenly it goes against you. So definitely, I don't want to trade with stop loss. I will not give up my money to the brokers until I get profit. Okay. So also to minimize the loss, exit with break even or ideally with profit. Now, let's say I buy here this point and I have the target point and the break even point, and suddenly it went down the trend. So the expert advisor will do the counter hedge and it went back, and the expert advisor will do the counter hedge in every trade which is against you. And then when it goes down, you can either uh, exit in the break even area or to the target point. Okay, and this is your recovery zone area. Okay, so the secret of this is to know what is the correct hedge lot entries in every trading in every hedge. That way you can control your drag down in your account. Okay, so let's proceed on the back testing and I'll show you how they. Now we will continue and I'll show you the back testing of this expert advisor. We will put to the test during the market consolidations. Okay, during the market consolidation, how this will work. Okay, how the drag down as well. So we have to look into this. Hopefully it will enter into a market consolidation, so we will just notice how this will work. Okay, and from this period to this period, how many entries. Okay, now we are in a worst case scenario, so we'll see and test the drag down, how much and what is the maximum value does this may go far. So you can see drag down is being controlled. Okay, how it will exit. Perfect, that's how it will exit. As you can see in the graph, the drag down is very minimal. I think this is the final test I've been doing already, and I think I have already after a year of tests, I think I was able to pick the best formula. What is the correct counter hedge lot entry sizes? Okay, the sizes of entry to counter hedge is the most important. Plus the calculation of your risk management. You have to check based on your fund how much you can expose. Now I'm trading $3,000, and the maximum 10% is my maximum exposure. However, mostly I'm generating 5 to $10 to $15 profit per day with a maximum exposure of at least $60 to $50 maximum per day, and I will exit at the end of the day with profit. So that's the maximum I'm having. So I think pretty fair enough that I'm trading with profit without any loss at all. I am also using 0.1 lot as a beginning. That makes sure that my account is very safe and expose only a very minimal amount of my fund while in trading. So if I encounter already 10% of my fund, that is where I used to cut my losses. However, it's very minimal that happens. It's because when I do the trading, I determine the first entry. The expert advisor will only do the counter hedge for me to make sure that I can leave my trading alone. I can sleep properly without any worries. I can leave my position at it is, and I know when I wake up, it's already uh, in profit. So this is a very powerful, but definitely it's not for a greedy person. This is just a small profit, but I make sure that you are in profitable position everywhere it goes against you. You can notice that the drag down is very minimal, okay, and superb, very nice, perfect expert advisor, and it goes to any currency at all. Just make sure that when you enter, you can not just enter to the market bluntly. Definitely you have to determine when to buy and sell. This only when the market against you. When you say I buy based on this, and then suddenly the market goes against you, you are okay. You have no worries. You will not give up your money until your money is in profit. Thank you very much, and please watch this video until the end and see how powerful this expert advisor.